I'm Dr. Constance Benson. I'm a professor of medicine from the University of California, San Diego, and I'm the protocol chair of A5001, the ALLRT protocol. I'm the former chair of the AIDS Clinical Trials Group, and I currently serve on the executive committee and on the Tuberculosis Transformative Science Group.
I am Ann Collier. I'm the principal investigator of the University of Washington AIDS Clinical Trials Unit, and have been involved with ACTG since it started.
My name is Ron Bosh. I'm a statistician at Harvard School of Public Health, and I'm the lead statistician on the ALLRT 5001 protocol.
Hi, my name is Crispin, and I am the supervisor at the Ohio State University. We are one of the top enrollers for ACTG A5001, the ALLRT protocol.
My name is John OBrien. I'm a research scientist. I am co-chair of the Laboratory Technologists Committee, and I've been on the ALLRT protocol as a laboratory representative since 2000.
My name is Mike Cleavert. I'm the study coordinator at Washington University in St. Louis.
I'm Amy Morand. I'm the A5001 data manager, and I work at the Data Management Center.
My name is Sharon Keenan. I am the site coordinator for Brigham and Women's Hospital.
I'm Jay Dwyer. I'm the study coordinator at UCSF Site 801.
I'm Amy Parola. I am a research nurse at Mass General Hospital, Site 101.
I would like to thank all of the participants that we've had at our site. Your long-term participation in this very extensive study has really shown your faith in the ACTG agenda and the research that we do. And without that, we've got nothing. So we'd like to thank you all for your participation and hope that you continue to participate in studies going forward. Thank you.
I'm representing the many laboratories that have been processing your samples. We are very appreciative of your contribution and want you to know that we consider you to be much more than tubes of blood, even though that's all we see. Thank you.
I want to express my sincere gratitude to all the participants of ALLRT for all their time and all their efforts. The ALLRT database and the samples are an incredible resource to expand our knowledge of HIV. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your effort and your long-term commitment to a really important study in the long term of things, and it required a lot of commitment on your part, so thanks a lot.
It has been an honor to work with A5001, and I see your data that you've contributed to this great cause, this wonderful study. And when I look at the data, I don't see just numbers, I see people, I see the things that you've gone through, I see the positive, I see some of the challenges, and it affects me when I see this data. And I see trends, and I see wonderful, wonderful contributions, and it's very humbling. I want to say thank you for your time, your contributions. I admire and respect all of your commitment, and again, your contributions to the field. Thank you very much.
And I wish they could be here to see how much they're appreciated by everyone and how much our relationships have gone beyond the study, and that hopefully I will continue to see them in other studies, and I will miss the ones I don't very much.
Well, since ALLRT has been going on forever, even before I started with UCSF, I would just like to say on behalf of Carol Ari, Michelle Downing, Joanne Volinsky, Mary Payne, Anna Smith, all the nurses who have worked at UCSF, all of our past investigators, Dr. Mark Jacobson, Dr. Diane Havlier, Dr. Annie Lukemeyer, Dr. Brad Hare. They are just thrilled that you all have participated in this long, ongoing, and very important study. And we're very, very grateful for all the information that you've been able to help us come up with during the course of the last 15 years.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's been an amazing 13 years with some of you, and it's been fantastic following you throughout, the duration of the study. Some of you for less time, but every single person that participated in the study did so much to help us learn so much about HIV, and and there's no words really to say thank you enough.
Well, I think those words, as simple as they are, thank you from the bottom of my heart, is really what I would say, and I think I represent all of the actually hundreds of individual investigators who have used the alert information and specimens to address many, many questions. And so it's through your generosity, willingness to come back and provide information and samples that permits that. And so I think thank you, and know that you have contributed to advancing knowledge in a variety of ways, so that your contribution is a major one, and that we could not have done these kinds of studies and will not be able to do these kinds of studies in the future without each person's individual contribution.
What I would love to say to everyone who participated in the ALERT protocol is a really heartfelt thank you. I think, like I've talked about, they're part of a family, and just because the ALERT protocol won't continue in its current form going forward, they remain part of our family. Even though patients may not be continuing in follow-up in the ALERT protocol, we have 12 years of data collected from the valuable contributions that each one of our participants has made to that study. And that database will continue to be a very rich database and a very rich repository of very generously donated patient samples that will enable us to continue asking important research questions that will inform studies going forward for the future. So just because the protocol in its current iteration ends doesn't mean their participation in important research ends. It's a long-living protocol that will live beyond us.